Sennheiser CX 400BT review. These true wireless earbuds are excellent value for money, tested at £99, $100, 149 Australian dollars. Sennheiser CX 400BT review. Our verdict: while slightly compromised in the features department, the CX 400BT are sonic marvels, and, at this price, hugely appealing. For lively, detailed sound, lightweight fit, excellent value for money. Against battery life below the best, not waterproof. Such is the popularity of true wireless earbuds today that you can go to the website of many established headphone brands and take your pick from several models across a range of price points. Sony, Bose and JBL, for example, all have at least a few pairs in their lineup. But Sennheiser's offering has, like Apple's, been streamlined down to two models: the premium, noise-cancelling Momentum True Wireless 2 and the more affordable CX 400BT without noise cancelling that we have on test here. Sennheiser would no doubt argue the case for quality over quantity, and while the CX 400BT may not have the sleekest name, the fanciest design, or even the most generous feature set, they are more sonically gifted than most at this level. These Sennheisers launched at double the price but now inhabit the increasingly populated £100, $100, 150 Australian dollars arena, making them some of the best value budget earbuds we've come across. Sennheiser CX 400BT build. Compared with the excellent Momentum True Wireless 2, the CX 400BT lack active noise cancelling, smart pause functionality and IPX4 splash resistance, and have an inferior battery life. Their specs next to their pricier sibling seems fair and is to be expected, although we would like to see a few more features from the CX 400BT. Sennheiser CX 400BT tech specs. Sennheiser CX 400BT. Bluetooth version 5.1, APH. Battery life 20 hours. Charging USB-C. Weight 6 grams, each earbud. Their combined battery life is 20 hours, 7 hours from the buds, plus a further 13 hours from the charging case, which is less than that offered by the Cambridge Audio Melomania Touch, 50 hours, and Melomania 1, 45 hours, the Earphone Air Pro, 35 hours, JBL Reflect Flow, 30 hours, and Apple AirPods, 24 hours. We'd also like some degree of sweat or water resistance, as featured on many of the Sennheiser's rivals. Without that, the CX 400BT aren't recommended for sportswear, and you don't get the peace of mind that they'd survive being caught in a rain shower. They do support Bluetooth 5.1 support and mobile app features, though, neither of which is a given at this level. The former promises high-quality, far-reaching Bluetooth transmission, while the latter opens doors to EQ adjustment and control customization. Out of the box, the left earbud can be tapped once to play or pause music, twice to jump backwards a track, and held down to reduce volume. On the right earbud, one tap activates your phone's voice assistant or accepts incoming calls, two taps jump forward a track or rejects calls, and holding it down increases volume. The playback functions can be reallocated or turned off in the Sennheiser Smart Control app, which is also where you can alter the earbud's EQ and save EQ presets. However, unless you're someone who often adjusts the EQ, it's likely you'll use the dedicated app once during setup and then rarely, if ever, again. Comfort. Sennheiser CX 400BT Comfort. While touch controls can sometimes be hit and miss with earbuds, the relatively large, flat surface area of the CX 400BT's touch panels make the controls easy and reliable to use. The Sennheiser's design is more functional than fancy, but that's more of an observation than a complaint. And besides, who can argue with designs that just work? Their oval housings require a push and twist motion for them to nestle nicely in the ears. We're talking a bit of encouragement, rather than any forceful manhandling, and when in place are comfortably lightweight, 6 grams each, and unobtrusive. They are just over 2 centimeters deep, so will protrude slightly out of shallower ears. The fit is as versatile as you'd expect, thanks to the 4 different sizes of silicone ear tips included in the box. Sound. Sennheiser CX 400BT Sound. Sennheiser is one of the most consistent brands when it comes to sound quality, so expectations are high as we play the weather station's parking lot via Tidal. The CX400 BT are instantly likable,